Don't be intimidated by seafood. I'm going to show you easy recipes that all begin with fabulous ingredients from Hy-Vee.
Seared scallops like these are guaranteed to make your mouth water. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is seafood without the catch. But to get this kind of incredible crust, you're gonna need to use the right scallops.
So the sea scallops that we carry are coming from the East Coast, and they're a fair trade. And all of our scallops are dry.
I can tell by looking at it, it's a dry packed scallop.
We didn't make it superficially bigger by adding water to it. We didn't add chemicals to alter its shelf life.
That's why I love this whole program here, because it's transparent. There's a real expert here behind the case at Hy-Vee.
All right, let's get cooking.
This is the kind of dish that everybody wants to order in a restaurant when you have a spendy ingredient like scallops. Learn how to do it at home so you're not always paying a premium for it. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to get a couple of pieces of prosciutto into the pan to crisp, and we're going to cut them up. I want to heat up my peas. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. This is Reggiano Parmigiano. A few leaves of mint in with the peas. Snipping chives is really hard, but I have a fantastic tip. Take a wet piece of paper towel and roll it up. Hold on to this. Your fingers are your guideline. And I'm just gonna set this aside. Tear a little parsley. We're gonna puree this. And this is an immersion wand. And I'm just gonna keep this warm on my stovetop. Put the barest amount of oil in there. These little feet, it's a secondary muscle. They need to be removed. All I'm gonna do is season my scallops with a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to put these salt side down. And you see I give each one a little stir. It lets me know they're not sticking. And there is the color that we are looking for on that scallop, that nice, beautiful brown color. And we just brown butter baste these for a couple of minutes. When super hot brown butter goes on top of them, well, that butter starts to cook them. So now we're cooking with 360-degree heat around these scallops. So I just want to divide my pea mixture. And then I'm just gonna place 3 scallops in there. There's a little bit of this prosciutto crumble, and then just a little bit of chive on top. So, in a very short amount of time, you can have those beautiful, crispy, seared scallops with pea puree and prosciutto. It's super simple. You can do this.